to my channel. I'm trying to keep this intro really short because I am going to switch over into a voiceover. But here is one of my drawers with my custom acrylics. FYI, please excuse my nails. I just had on acrylic press-on nails and I could not get them off to save my life. Even after soaking, it took like forever. So yeah, my nails look a mess. Let's address the elephant in the room, but that's not why we're here. We're here because you guys want to see some of my glitter acrylics. This can be like 3 or 4 videos, so let me know if you like this video and I will do another one. I have a ton of acrylics that I made. So just before I switch into the voiceover, I do want to say you don't have to go out and buy containers. You can use an empty container. Here I have an empty young nail container that I'm going to be using towards the end of the video. And as you can see, I have an empty cover rose from Mia Secret, which has some acrylic in it that I custom made. But if you are interested in purchasing some jars, I will leave a link down below where you can purchase some from. And these here are just from my local nail supply store. I paid $1 for each of these. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna hop into the video. I'm not going to talk on this part. Towards the end, you will see me use some glitters that are just raw glitters. I'm gonna make 3 custom acrylics today. I will show you now what they look like. I did haul these in a video that you saw prior to this from Hobby Lobby, and this one here is already pre-mixed for me, so that's why I got it. I don't have to do much to it, but if you get this kind of glitter and you want to add something extra to it, you are more than welcome to do that. And here I got this pretty green color. I like this because when you shift it, it does have different color of blue in there with the green, so that looks like it's already pre-mixed. And the same thing with this purple acrylic here. You get some reflective colors of like pink and, I'm not mistaken, maybe a little silver. I don't know, but it's doing a lot and I like it. So I am going to add these 3 glitters to some clear acrylic. I will say this before I hop out real quick. Make sure when you're using your custom acrylics, you want to go in with a clear powder that you actually like using. You know the consistency of it. That way when you add glitter to it, you know how it's going to maneuver, how it's going to work, if it dry down fast, and you know what you need to do. So if you like Mia Secret, go in with Mia Secret. If you like Young Nail, go in with Young Nail. Another tip that I will say, I have these 2-ounce jars here, and believe it or not, I fill them up pretty much to the top. You really don't have to use the whole 2-ounce jar. I didn't think of that when I first started making my own. It's just a waste, I believe, because you're really not going to go through your 2-ounce jar. Now, if you have a shade that you use a lot, I would say do that, because I have a shade that I use a lot, so I made 2 of them. I've actually went through 2 of these containers, and yeah, that's just basically it. I would go with a small 1-ounce container like this, and I wouldn't even fill it up all the way. Here I have 2 spoonfuls of clear acrylic, and the glitter is to my liking. You'll see towards the end of the video when I make my own, I show you how I do it. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop rambling and hop into this video, and then like I said, towards the end you will see how I actually make the glitters. And there is a giveaway. I am going to be giving away 4 glitter custom acrylics, random colors, but I will say they are pretty, and you're going to enjoy them. And all 4 of them will be 2-ounce. So somebody is going to get 4 2-ounce jars of glitter. So yeah, I'm done rambling. This was a long intro that I wanted to keep short. So all right, just let me hop into the video. Okay, y'all, now we're gonna hop into some custom glitter acrylics. Here you just want to get some empty jars. They don't have to be fancy. Like I said in the beginning, it can be jars that you already have laying around that you use for acrylic, and it's empty. Here I'm just taking a plastic spoon and putting 2 full spoonfuls of acrylic into each jar. I don't want to use a lot. I told you before I made the mistake of filling the entire 2-ounce jars up with clear acrylic and then making glitter acrylic. You don't need to do that. You need to reserve as much clear acrylic as you can, because that's something we use a lot. Now this part, which should be to your liking, I hope you can see how much I'm digging into each acrylic. It's not each acrylic, each glitter. It's not a lot at all. I'm just putting a tad bit in, because once I stir it up and swatch it, you will see that I do go back in and add glitter to whichever one I feel like I want to make more opaque with glitter. So here, pretty simple, just going in, adding what I want to add, mixing it around. Make sure you mix it really good. It's important too when you buy acrylic glitter that you shake it well and stir it, just so that everything is pretty stirred up. So when you go in with your monomer and your brush, you are picking up what the glitter acrylic is supposed to look like. So this is really easy to do. Anybody can do it. I remember when I first started out doing nails, I was a little intimidated by doing stuff like this, but I suggest you go ahead and start making some of your own glitter acrylics. I still buy glitter acrylic. I always say this just because you're not going to be able to find every kind of glitter. So, and to be honest with you, sometimes I really just don't feel like making my own. But if I'm in a store anywhere, Hobby Lobby, Walmart, arts and crafts store, and I see a glitter that I want to turn into acrylic, I do go and grab it. Here, these look pretty good to me. It's just the one with the chunky blue. Black, I want to make a little more opaque, so I am going to go in and add some more glitter to that. This color is really pretty. This will even be nice around Halloween time, like a Halloween glitter. So I'm just going in, adding more to that, and I do believe I show you guys a swatch of what this glitter acrylic looks like after I add that spoon. Yeah, so I'm just going to go in and re-swatch it and see what it looks like so far. Yeah, that's perfect. I'm going to leave that alone. It looks really good. Exactly. You see the difference? So always go in with a little bit of glitter at first. You can always add more. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, I'm not sure if I have other footage left. If I do, I do swatch sticks. Then I'll let the music play. But don't forget to do me a favor. Give this video a thumbs up, and most importantly, subscribe. I will check you guys out in my next video.